So first things first, the variable. This is the most basic idea in like all of programming. And the best way to think of it is just a labeled box. That's it. So here we're making a box, we're slapping a label on it that says X, and we're putting the number 100 inside. That's all. Now, anytime we talk about X, Python knows we're talking about what's in the box, the number 100. See? Simple. Okay, but what if you've got more than just one thing to store? Well, Python has you covered with 4 main ways to group information together. Think of them as different kinds of containers. And as you can see here, the big differences between them are all about, whether the order matters, if you can change things later, and if you can have duplicates. Let's break them down one by one with some easy analogies. First up, we have the list. Think of this exactly like a shopping list. It's perfect, right? You can add stuff, cross stuff off, change the order. You can even decide you need 2 cartons of milk. Duplicates are totally fine. And you see those square brackets? That's the signal to Python that you're making a list.
Next, we have the tuple. Now this one is for information you don't want to change, ever. Think about something like GPS coordinates or the primary colors. Once you set them, they're locked in. They can't be changed. You'll notice it uses parentheses instead of square brackets, and this isn't a bug, it's a feature. It's a great way to protect important data from being changed by accident.
Then there's the set. And the one thing you need to remember about sets is uniqueness. Everything in a set has to be one of a kind. A great example is a guest list for a party. You wouldn't put the same person's name on the list twice, right? If you try to add someone who's already there, Python just ignores it. No duplicates allowed. Also, the order doesn't matter at all here.
And last but definitely not least, we have the dictionary. And these are incredibly powerful. The best analogy is a real dictionary or an address book. You don't find information by its page number, you look it up by a word or a name. It's the same here. We have a key, like name, and that points to a value, like harsh. This key value system is a super efficient way to organize and find related information.
So, how does a program actually make a choice? Well, in Python, it's done with simple logic that reads almost exactly like English. Take a look. The code asks a question. Hey, is the number in the age box 18 or more? If the answer is yes, it prints adult. Else, meaning in any other case, it prints minor. And that's it. That's the basic way that all computer programs decide what